Hi, I'm Gary Miller, Oracle's Customer Success Officer, and I have the privilege of being here today in Finland with Harry Karilainen, the CIO of HUS. Welcome, Harry.
Thank you, Gary. HUS is the biggest secondary care hospital in Finland. We have about 27,000 people working. We are university hospital, so I think the being on the leading edge of healthcare is born by nature. Yes. For us.
You're pretty advanced actually for a hospital group in terms of with the Oracle technology, how much of Oracle Cloud you've deployed, in the ERP, in some of our development tools. So how has Oracle helped you in that journey of delivering care to your patients?
We are of course doing the administration work with Oracle system, or Harppi as we call it in Finland, with HR and finance, but also in logistics, which is really core thing about the process. Vast majority of our services are still run on premise. But with Oracle, we have been on the front line applying cloud services to those services, and really are happy with that. It puts us kind of like on a somehow standardized way of working. The industry has been, or the health sector has been quite keen on making things very complex and tailoring for their own way of using it. And as we know, in IT is not always the best thing to start tailoring something that is kind of like a common solution for all the other ones. But in practice, that means that we are able to put people in the right places in the process, so that we don't have a bottleneck, or we can identify and remove those bottlenecks, and then we get more patients through our service process.
How have you seen that journey evolve with the cloud solution, and how has Oracle Customer Success Services helped you on that journey?
Now with cloud, we are on the path that is really every day or every month bringing us the new capabilities that are really rapidly deployed, and compared to on-premise environment where you need to wait for next version and do the huge project until you get those capabilities. But with cloud, they are much more easily achievable. Oracle Customer Success Services has really helped us in that way that first of all, we don't have major incidents occurring, I would say, at all. So we have that basic foundation working constantly and reliable way. But also then when we have changes, when we are developing something new, I think we have a good cooperation and also always finding partners and core competencies that we need in the project. And I think it's a win-win for both of us, because we need that innovation in healthcare. We know the issues of demand going up, and supply side struggling with a number of employees or staffing or money in that sense. Now we get faster, more services, and especially with AI, now those capabilities are much more rapidly implemented and gaining those benefits faster.